In this video, I'll show you how to check who viewed your Snapchat profile and explain what information Snapchat actually allows you to see. First, open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. If you have a public profile, tap on it. Now select Insights. Here, you'll be able to see things like profile views, story views, followers, and engagement analytics. But Snapchat does not directly show the exact names of everyone who viewed your profile. You can only see the total number of profile visits and interactions. However, there are a couple ways to get an idea of who visited your profile. One method is posting a public story or adding content to your public highlights. If someone likes, comments, shares, or reacts to your story, you'll be able to see their username in the engagement section. You can also upload spotlight content to increase profile interactions and track viewers who engage with your posts. And that's it. While Snapchat doesn't reveal every profile visitor, you can still track Snapchat profile engagement and story interactions. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more Snapchat tips, privacy guides, and social media tutorials.